Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to withdraw fund or money from the Fundrise, then this video is for you. Actually, if you want to withdraw money from Fundrise, that's when you have a sharehold or multiple sharehold on Fundrise. So if you have the Fundrise sharehold, then you can just submit a liquidation request that you will get in the fund section, and you can just go to the fund here that you have, like continue. If you go to continue on investing, there you will find all the funds are here. So go to the funds that you want to withdraw, then you can simply tap on submit a liquidation request, where you will find just like I don't have I don't have any sharehold right now available on my account for redemption. So that's why it's showing like this, but you will find a section where you can just enter the amount that you want to withdraw, and it will ask the confirmation about that you if you really want to withdraw the shareholds on Fundrise. So here is something important that you should know, that they review liquidation requests for the flagship fund, income fund, innovation fund, and rates on a quarterly basis, and at the end of the month following a 60-day waiting period for the Fundrise e-fund. Please note that any liquidation request must be placed by the last business day of the quarter to be reviewed at the end of that quarter. So keep it at the mind. And the fees here, they have just talked about the fees, that the shares you own are intended to be held long term. The flagship fund, the income fund, and the innovation fund do not charge a penalty of liquidation. However, any e-rate and e-fund shares you have held for less than 5 years may be subject to a penalty. Please keep in mind this penalty is paid back to the fund to defray the cost that other shareholders bear in creating early liquidity. So liquidation on our platform are processed on a first in or first out, meaning that shares you have held for the most amount of time will be dated first. So make sure that you have know about that process here. So that's how you can just easily withdraw your funds. So you will get that liquidation, submit a liquidation request. So you can just submit a liquidation request, then they can accept your request. Whenever they accept your withdrawal request or liquidation request, then you will get a email from them, and you can confirm that withdrawal process. Then you can get your money on your expected destination. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.